In this video, to fix a DirectX not supporting on your system error for Descendant. So first you need to go to write txdiag and click it. And if you click this, this pop-up will appear. In this, you need to check the DirectX version. If the DirectX version is below, uh, depends on your system, you need to update the DirectX. So nowadays, Windows itself, it's Windows update itself, it's coming. So you need to update the Windows and check it if it's working or not. Okay, so for that I need to go to settings. In this, go to Windows Update, and the top you can see check for update is there. You need to click the check for update and need to check. And also sometimes installation pending also causes issues, so you need to up to date. Okay, if any installation pending is available means you need to clear it. And after that you need to go to our system settings and go to display. And here you need to scroll down and go to graphics. In this graphics, you can see advanced graphics settings there. You need to click and make sure the hardware acceleration should be turned on mode. Okay, you need to check it should be in turn on. And after that you need to scroll down and you need to check if it's added or not. If the software is not added, then you need to click add an desktop app and add the Descendant. Okay, then after next step you need to go to our device manager. Select the device manager, and here you can see display adapter is there. You need to go and update the display adapters. So we can update by two methods. One is going by this and update driver, and you can update it. And another method, you go to the driver itself. For example, NVIDIA means NVIDIA driver and update it, and AMD means go to AMD and update it. Okay, these are two ways are there. So this is the first way, and second way you can directly go to the application and update it. And for AMD, you can search and go to the application and you can update it. So these are the way. So after updating, you need to restart.